These ants are literally sewing leaves together. Did you know ants can build houses using baby ants as glue? Meet the weaver ants, also called hantik in the Philippines. They build nests by stitching leaves together using silk from their larvae. These larvae, or baby ants, naturally produce silk. Worker ants gently hold the larvae and use them like tiny glue guns to spin silk. The silk is used to stitch leaves together to form nests. The larvae continue to grow normally after helping. It's a form of cooperation within the colony, and that's amazing.